Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the belt on a Ford Focus. First, gather your tools: a new serpentine belt, a serpentine belt tool, and a wrench set. Ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands. It's also helpful to find the belt routing diagram, usually located under the hood or in your owner's manual, to guide your installation. Now, let's release the tension. Locate the serpentine belt tensioner pulley. Attach your serpentine belt tool to the tensioner arm. Carefully rotate the tensioner to relieve the pressure on the belt. This will create enough slack for you to easily slip the old belt off all the pulleys. With the old belt removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully route the new serpentine belt around all the pulleys, following your diagram precisely. Leave the tensioner pulley for last. Make sure the belt is seated correctly in all the grooves on every pulley before proceeding to the next step. To complete the installation, rotate the tensioner once more to create slack. Carefully slip the new belt onto the tensioner pulley. Slowly release the tensioner, allowing it to apply pressure to the new belt. Double-check that the belt is perfectly aligned on all pulleys before starting your engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.